Top 5 Best Espresso Machine. Top 1. Breville B870 XL Barista Express Espresso Machine. 15-bar Italian pump and 1,600 watts thermocoil heating system. Top 2. Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista Espresso and Cappuccino Maker. Semi-automatic 3-inch -1 espresso maker, cappuccino maker, and latte maker. Top 3. DeLonghi is 3300 Magnifica Super Automatic Espresso Coffee Machine. Patented cappuccino system frother that mixes steam and milk to create the rich, creamy froth. Top 4. Nespresso Inissia Original Espresso Machine with Aeroccino Milk Frother bundled by DeLonghi. Top 5. Breville B840 XL/A the Infuser Espresso Machine. Pre-infusion function applies low water pressure at the start of the extraction to gently expand grinds for an even extraction.
All of these items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the links in the description. You can check out the links for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button below. Share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.